Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can choose what you want to see on the main screen after turning on your appliance, and there we have the SAECO Gran Aroma Deluxe. So if you want to switch that, you want to after turning on you want to see the profile strings or the other one, you have to click on the settings, go to the right side, and as you can see there we have the home screen. Click on it, then click on accept, and as you can see we can show the drinks, the profiles or last profile. So select your choice, click on the accept to save it, and now after that turning on your appliance on the main screen you should see the profiles. And basically this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.